what exactly is Giftoin doing these days. So do you mind maybe sharing an example or maybe elaborating regarding the whole solution?
So we're providing like a SaaS platform, a software as a service platform that e-commerce Web2 players or other business players can basically use on their own platform using plugins and very easy integration points, and start offering Web3 gifts. If this is a function of Bitcoins or like coins or Web3 gaming coins or accessories, etc. Now, the nice thing about our platform is that we provide the entire wrapping facility and really the experience of giving a gift. It's not really a matter of the asset, it's also the wrapping, the greeting card. The greeting card, basically, it's an NFT. So even if the person is unwrapped the gift and use the asset, if it's coins or accessories or other things that you use the assets, still the wrapping and the greeting NFT, the greeting card will stay forever. And if it's very important, greeting from grandma, or if it's someone from your boyfriend or girlfriend, it's really cool. And you can deliver Giftoins worldwide in 90 seconds.
Nice.
So it's also cool. Yeah. So we think that many businesses will value that, and it's exactly what we start seeing in the market. More and more e-commerce and different kind of businesses in the gifting and the digital world approaching us in order to integrate and start gifting blockchain-based gifts.
Awesome. And do they need any like Web3 knowledge, or what are like the aspects of Web3 here that you handle, and what are the aspects of Web3 that they need to handle?
I think that the only thing that they need to handle is really the understanding their market and their customer and try to make the best fit for their product. For matter of technical or integration and legal, all of this is covered by us. So basically, it's really adding like a new category to their stores. It's going to be like very similar to dropshipping or like product affiliation programs that you integrate the product itself, but all the rest is being done by the platform. There are also payment integrations that it depends on the what is the payment decision of the customers. There are different integration points, and there you go. So it's really easy to onboard and really minimum investment, and you can start with offering such product more like a promotion and not directly as a a main product on your store. And so the integration is quite easy for them, and we cover almost A to Z in the entire process.
Awesome. So let's say I have an e-commerce store and I'm selling whatever, let's say gifts from father to son. So I can just take your product and add it for my like post-purchase upsell, just embed it in my website, and do the customers pay me and they get delivered the product? How does that exactly work?
Yeah, so basically you can add like a small promotion that whoever buy this traditional gift that you sell for your grandma, who buy that automatically will get Giftoin for free or for discounts. And the Giftoin, it can be the greeting card by itself, or it can be greeting card with crypto coins, whatever you will choose, or with NFTs. And it depends on your country and the legal terms. It depends if the payment is directly on your side, or there is also a second party payment. But in general, the feeling is that the experience is quite easy, and the only thing that you need is to put his email, the recipient's email, on the product page, and then we doing the entire processing, and none of them need to have a digital wallet.
Mm-hmm. Awesome, great. And are you platform agnostic? Is there do you offer solutions to custom code, Shopify, WooCommerce? What exactly is with regards to the backend?
Yeah, so it's quite easy to integrate. We have an API, and we also have plugin to Ecommerce, and we're going to have also to Shopify later on this year. But even now, it's quite easy to integrate with API calls, and we have a customer catalog. So basically, you can browse your search for the product that you want, and decide which one is best fitting to your customers. You can add also your brand or your logo to the wrapping, so it will be more like a customized and branded store gift. and you can use it quite easily.
Awesome, great. Yeah, I feel that we've covered a lot regarding the product, and now that I have like a clear understanding of how the product looks like and what you're exactly offering, I kind of want to shift the conversation towards like maybe asking you, what reaction have you got from the market with regards to misconceptions about gifting? Or how do people react when you tell them we have a new sort of e-commerce 3.0 or new gifting platform? How do people react? Because I know, especially after what happened with like last year or as SBF, maybe the response will kind of like go either way. So I'm curious to hear like what are the common misconceptions that you see in the businesses that you're offering to?
Yeah. Okay, thank you for the question. In general, I'm getting very, very positive feedback from the day I started. Most of the people, when they hear about it, even if they're not familiar at all with e-commerce or blockchain, they say, wow, this is really something that I will use. This is something that is interesting. This is something innovative. And whoever is already in the business of the e-commerce or blockchain really seeing the value, the need for such technology. And some people see it as huge, as I see it, as really something that can be a virtual gifting enabler. And the virtual gifting, we estimate it to be more than $100 billion in 2 to 3 years, because it's already there in the e-commerce and it's going to expand in the blockchain metaverse, and we see it there. Yes, of course, there are a lot of also skeptics and also the ones that know and afraid from blockchain, and I can understand them if they are not understand the market very well. So they see the high level of scam. Yes, we can also argue maybe that the high level of scam is there because it's transparent. And because the blockchain is transparent, it's more easier to get, and in some cases, such scams. But most of the market is not there. I think that most of the market believe in blockchain. Most of the market see the blockchain as the future, but we also understand that it takes few years for maturity. And then you see the value of gifting and the value of Giftoin, and the role that we play in this vision is a huge role and a valuable one and funny one, and something that it's fun to do it and fun to work with it. And we all the team, we actually be really enjoying what we do, because we really think that we're going to eventually help people to be engaged and to incentive and give love on each other. Because as long as we have more and more global, community, and we have more remote working, and people actually live, and spend more time in Zooms and in the digital and virtual presence, they also will have more gifting there. And we enable them to do that. And basically it's going to connect people. And it's good. It's something to do.
So I just curious, where can people find out more about Giftoin, maybe play around with Giftoin?
Yeah, so it's really easy. It's giftoin.com. That's such simple. And you can go there and see also, our vision and documentation. And you're going to register for our starter edition, and you'll be able to start using and wrap your own gifts, as easy as a few minutes from login and information. And as I mentioned, the starter edition is even without the monthly fee. And we have also, on our YouTube channel, many videos and about gifting, about the value of giftings, and you can follow up on Twitter or LinkedIn and Telegram. We are there, and opening the future of gifting.
Awesome, that's great. Thank you so much, Aviv. It's been a lot of fun, very valuable. It sounds very exciting, and for sure we will drop the links in the show notes. And I invite people to check Giftoin out and also check out the YouTube channel. I saw the videos over there; it seemed great. So thanks again.
Thank you, Mr. Been. Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.